Pero minsan may experience sila sa tao that could tell them immediately, ay hindi ko to iboboto.
We've been doing that for how many years? It's not working. Kung ikaw ba nasa barko ka at yung magbobotahan kayo kung sinong gusto nyong mamuno sa paglalayag nyo to control the ship, to navigate the ship, to tell people what to do para mapunta kayo sa dapat nyong puntahan. Would you let the other people na walang kaalam-alam sa seamanship na bumoto? Tingin mo yung boto nila will let...
Pero nasa loob sila ng barko?
Oo.
Oh.
Kasi sabi
Kung
ni,
maapektuhan ka ng journey, why not?
sabi ni Plato, democracy doesn't work.
Then change
Joke
the
lang,
law.
di ko alam kung sino philosopher. Pero may kilala akong philosopher nagsabi na against siya sa democracy kasi even yung mga walang kakwenta-kwentang taong mag-isip, they're not even thinking who are they voting for. Nakakasama lang sila para sa nakakarami. If they want that right or the right to vote, they must earn it.
Parang you're putting the fault sa madlang people when the madlang people didn't even want the system. The system was started by the people who are in the office. Therefore,
Huh?
the system was started by the people who are already in position.
Therefore, educate the voters, remove those in position, palitan ng mga bago para mapalitan ng sistema. You need to change the voters in order for you to change the system. How can you enter the system if you're not voting the right people? Or kaya may
Wait.
initiative man lang galing sa ano?
Bakit kanina nandun tayo sa mga tao?
I'm
Oh.
still on that subject matter na dapat matitino ang mga botante.